Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Wolf and I'm bringing you some more tech news. So guys, if you're interested in content like this, why not subscribe, leave a like, and turn on that notification bell also for whenever I upload new content. Now with that done, let's get into the video. So, first off, there has been a leak of the new AMD AM5 chip underside package. So we've known since last week the upcoming desktop processor socket for AMD is AM5, but what the leak is saying is going to be LGA, so that's line grid array, which means the CPU won't have any pins on the underside. The pins would be on the motherboard socket, same like how their Threadripper CPU sockets have been. So yeah, this new AM5 chip looks to have 1718 pins on the CPU socket. It's going to be a size of 40 by 40 millimeters squared. You're supposed to get 28 PCIe Gen 4 lanes, so they're not upgrading to PCIe Gen 5, although Intel is doing that on their side, their upcoming CPUs. It's going to have a TDP ranging from 120 watts up to 170 watts. Here I'm not seeing which architecture it's or which nanometer it's going to be on, but hopefully more information will come out that in the coming days. Here's the actual picture in the leak. The image is provided by Executable Fix on Twitter. So yeah guys, this is something very hype and something that we should look out for in the future of the consumer CPU space. Next, Nvidia GeForce is teasing something that's supposed to be happening May 31st. They're going to be streaming it on YouTube and on Twitch, 10 p.m. PDT. So that's 7 UTC, and that's supposed to be 1 a.m. Eastern. Yes. So yeah guys, hopefully this might be what they're teasing is the RTX 3080 Ti and the 3070 Ti, if the rooms have any credibility. So next, more news about the Google Pixel 6. So a 3D printed a 3D print of the Google Pixel 6 is compared to upcoming flagship against the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. So if you want to watch more about this, links will be in the description along with to this exact article, so you can watch this YouTube video about it yourselves. Next, Epic's next-gen Unreal Engine 5 is now available in early access. So the big feature I want to touch on for this version of Unreal Engine is that it has something called temporal anti-aliasing, which is a form of upscaling technique for games to upscale it from a lower resolution to a higher one with minimal to if negligible change in visual quality comparing the images. So it's available on GitHub, and the next gen tool should be available in its full release early 2022. Next, Google's Fuchsia OS is now available as an update for first gen Nest Hub devices. So yeah, this Google Fuchsia OS that's been touted as an Android competitor, the next thing that will blow Android out the water, a more stable OS, and that also has backwards compatibility with Android apps, is debuting on a Google Nest device. Enough said. On to the next one. Gigabyte RTX accidentally confirms the RTX 3080 Ti. So earlier in the video, I was talking about Nvidia teasing something. This GPU might be what they were teasing, or not this specific one from Gigabyte, most likely their Founders Edition, but this is an aftermarket one, and actually a leak that helps confirm the existence of these cards. So the GPU has been posted on social media, where you can see the underside of this Gigabyte Vision box. You see 80 Ti on the underside. This is the full image, where they say guess what on their RSES Twitter page, where they try to censor these boxes right here, but probably it was planned, probably it was an oversight, but they left this area uncovered to give away a hint as to the cards being close to release. So yeah guys, if this is a card that you have been holding out for in hopes of finally getting a GPU for your system, just see what Nvidia has to say on May 31st, if it's anything good or promising for us gamers. So, final story for the night. Western Digital announces a WD Black D30 game drive SSD for Xbox Series consoles and the PS5. I'm wondering if it also works on the PC, because it would make any sense for an SSD that is made to work on a console can't work on a PC. Just doesn't make sense, because it's a form of storage. Once it's formatted to a format that is supported on PC, it should work no problem. But I'm wondering if it's custom engineered for those consoles. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, why not subscribe? Why not leave a like? Why not share the video to let your friends know? And this has been Wolf. Peace out. Arigato. Yeah, cringe.